Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get a weather prediction on your Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it. If you want to get the weather prediction, you have to activate the widget on your Android phone home screen. So this is how the weather widget looks like. And if you want to get this widget, you have to tap and hold on any empty area on your home screen, and then you can go to widget, and you have to scroll down until you find the weather. And here you just need to add the weather widget. You can click on it and click on add. And since I have added my weather widget to my home screen, I'm just going to click on this weather widget. And then after we click on the weather widget, we will get the weather prediction for a week. As you can see, that's so easy, right? Okay guys, and that's how we can get a weather prediction on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.